Today I want to turn this nail into a needle. It was a defective one with no head on it. I made this needle quite a few years ago, but because it's folded over for the eye, it tends to snag on the cloth every single time. So today I'm going to try to punch a hole through it to make the eye. I have this old device set up here, and I'm going to put the nail in through there. I'm going to flatten it a little bit first so it sits nice. I got this wire going through, and I'm going to step on that, and it's going to come down and hold that nail in place, hopefully. And for the punch, I'm going to use another nail, see if that works. So I flattened this end out, especially where the eye is going to be. And one thing I forgot to mention is I annealed this nail before I started. I baked it in a fire to take the hardness out. And while it was still kind of hot, I made a little tiny mark. So when I punch it, it should stay right in the center, I hope. So this will go back in the fire, and I'll just heat up this end here. And this is some homemade charcoal that I made. So I got the hole in there. It's not pretty, but I got it. And the first time I put it in the fire, I almost melted the nail. It got so hot. And the first time I tried punching it, this nail just bent, couldn't go through, so I had to go find a thicker nail and sharpen it. So I got it as straight as I can. I'm just going to let it cool down, do all the grinding on it, take off some of that excess material there, and then put it back in the forge and quench it. And so I ground off all the excess metal, made it as smooth and straight as possible. Put a needle file in the eye there to make sure there's no sharp edges. I don't want it to be cutting the thread. So I'm thinking I just want to heat up the tip to critical, quench it to harden it. But if this part here is hardened again, I think it'll be too brittle. And there it is. I could spend all day trying to make it look perfect, but it's good enough for me. I tried this bank line, pulled on it, it's not cutting, so that's good. No sharp edges. And this needle will be mostly used for canvas and tarps. I can use a much thicker thread to make it stronger.